Moving out of your home as a student in India is undeniably the best thing that you can do for yourself. Hello young lads and gentle ladies, जो भी इस चैनल पे पहली बार आया है, let me introduce myself. मेरा नाम है भविष्य सीनवाल and this is Project Bhavishya. Even though it is cheaper, it is safer and more comfortable to stay back at your hometown, to stay back at your home and complete your studies by going into a random local college, the thing is, comfort is rarely the place where you want to be when you are trying to achieve something extraordinary in this lifetime. So, we've got the notes here, and before we dive into this, let me first introduce you to the topic of leverage. What exactly is leverage? Leverage means using a tool, resource, or advantage to create or get a much bigger effect or result. So, let's see how and why moving out is the highest leverage decision a student in India can make. So the first reason is the proximity phenomenon. मान लो कि तुम कहीं ठंडी जगह में हो और दूर कहीं पे आग जल रही है, ठीक, तो अपने हाथ गर्म करने के लिए तुमको आग के पास जाना पड़ेगा. That is you getting proximate to the source of heat. So similarly, if you want to make money, you will have to move to a place that has a lot of money. Suppose मैं उत्तराखंड से हूँ, ठीक है. I am from a very small town in the middle of nowhere. It is beautiful out here, but the thing is, अगर मुझे पैसा बनाना है, तो I'll have to shift to a place that has better money making capabilities, that has better money making opportunities from my current place. What I mean by that is, you should be proximate to high density economic and high density creative resources. Moving on to the second point, which is upgraded social gravity and drive for ambition. So it is basically FOMO, but in a good way. See, अगर आप अपने शहर में रहते हो, if you stay back at your home, if you stay back at your hometown for studies as a student, you will have the same people, the same kind of thoughts, the same ideas and the same aspirations as your peer group. आप थोड़ा अलग सोच सकते हो, but the thing is, आप जिन लोगों के साथ रह रहे हो, those people will significantly affect your level of thinking as well. मेरे साथ ऐसा था कि my peer group, they had certain goals, but their ceiling was at my baseline. तो अगर मैं ऐसे लोगों के साथ रहूं जहां पे उनका मैक्सिमम थॉट मेरे मिनिमम थॉट बराबर है, ऐसे में there is no growth possible, right? And one of the many advantages of moving out is the good peer pressure advantage, which means कि जब तुम ऐसे लोगों के बीच में रहते हो जो कि कॉन्स्टेंटली हसल कर रहे हैं, जो कि कॉन्स्टेंटली नए बिजनेसेस शुरू कर रहे हैं, जब तुम ऐसे लोगों के बीच में रहते हो जो कॉन्स्टेंटली दे आर ट्राइंग आउट न्यू थिंग्स, दे आर फेलिंग एंड दे आर रिपीटिंग द सेम स्टफ, आपकी वर्क एथिक, योर लेवल ऑफ थिंकिंग, योर वे ऑफ थिंकिंग आर सिग्निफिकेंटली गोइंग टू improve and are significantly going to change. Moving on, the third pointer is access to high leverage network. Moving out to a bigger and better place will give you access to some kind of network that is going to help you in achieving your goals in life. One of my very close friends, he has become an influencer, and over the past 2-3 months he grew his page from 0 followers to over 27-20k followers on Instagram. And if I ask him for help, if I ask him for any suggestion on my projects, he will always be there for me. एंड अगर मैं अपने शहर में रहता तो देयर इज़ नो पॉसिबिलिटी कि मैं ऐसे लोगों के साथ बैठता, ऐसे लोगों के साथ मिलता जो कि मुझे एक नई सोच, जो कि मुझे एक नए लेवल ऑफ पर्सपेक्टिव पे लेके जाए. एंड दीज पीपल आर गोइंग टू हेल्प यू इन गेटिंग रेफरल्स. एंड अगर आपने कभी भी कुछ काम किया है, एंड इफ़ यू हैव एवर बीन इन अ इंडस्ट्री, इफ़ यू एवर बीन इन अ स्टार्टअप और आपने खुद से कुछ काम किया है, सो यू नो हाउ डैम रोल referrals play in your journey. Your first client is always someone who comes through a referral. And मेरे साथ भी ऐसे ही हुआ. Even my past clients जितने भी मैंने अभी तक PB Studios में हैंडल करे थे and जो कि अभी currently मैं मार्केट में हैंडल कर रहा हूँ, they all were from referrals. कि इस बंदे को मेरा काम पता है, इस बंदे को मेरा काम चाहिए. सो इस बंदे ने, जो कि मुझे जानता है, he referred me to the person who needs the work done and I am the guy who knows how to do the work. जब आप किसी बड़े शहर में जाते हो, you will know a guy who knows a guy who knows how to do the work, and that is what is important, and that is what is going to help you move in your life. And moving on to the last pointer, which says having an upgraded baseline. When you observe people that are 3 years older than you and they are managing lakhs of budget, they are managing lakhs of capital, raising money, they are investing aggressively, and they are running automated systems, they are creating content, they are regularly hustling and regularly moving in their life. Your psychological ceiling about your own earning, your psychological ceiling about the reality that you have created in your mind, and your psychological ceiling for the creative capacity in your mind is going to change forever. तुमने जो सीमाएं बनाई हैं अपने दिमाग में, वो सारी बदल जाएंगी. When you move out of your home, you are surely going to meet people जो तुमसे way better है in terms of everything, in terms of business, in terms of finances, in terms of mind, in terms of having intellectual capacity, in terms of creativity, in terms of everything. तब तुम्हें पता लगता है कि बैक एट होम टाउन आप एक छोटे तालाब में बड़ी मछली थे. ठीक है, यू आर द बिगेस्ट फिश इन योर स्मॉल पॉन्ड. जब तुम एक्चुअल गेम में उतरते हो एंड जब तुम एक्चुअल लोगों के साथ उतरते हो जहां पे उनकी सीलिंग्स आर वे अबव देन योर सीलिंग, योर बेसलाइन. अब मैंने आपको एक कॉन्सेप्ट बताया था अभी कि यहाँ के लोग, जो मेरे साथ के लोग हैं, उनकी सीलिंग इज इक्वल टू माई बेसलाइन, राइट. अब सोचो वो लोग जिनकी सीलिंग ही इतनी ऊंची है तो उनकी बेसलाइन कितनी ऊंची होगी, राइट. अभी तो आप इनके साथ बराबरी कर रहे हो, आपकी बेसलाइन और इनकी सीलिंग मैच कर रही है. बट व्हेन जब उनकी बेसलाइन और आपकी बेसलाइन में जमीन आसमान का फर्क होगा ना, तो आप भी, आपके जो स्टैंडर्ड्स हैं अबाउट वर्क, आपके जो स्टैंडर्ड्स हैं अबाउट इनकम, आपके जो स्टैंडर्ड्स हैं अबाउट whatever should you think, whatever should you want, those standards are going to rise, and that is what you want to grow in life. So the main gist of this whole video is कि जब भी आप अपने घर को छोड़ के मूव आउट कर रहे हो, so the place you are moving into, उस जगह के एडवांटेजेस ओवरशैडो करने चाहिए उस जगह के डिसएडवांटेजेस को. लाइक सपोज मैं दिल्ली में गया, दिल्ली के डिसएडवांटेजेस क्या है? पोल्यूशन है, बहुत ज़्यादा क्राउड है, एंड चोरी चकारी एंड डर है. बट द एडवांटेजेस कि मुझे अच्छे लोग मिलेंगे, ठीक है, I'll get more opportunities, I'll get to work with great people, I'll get more resources, I'll get great networks, I'll get access to resources, and everything. These overshadow the disadvantages that are present in that city. Okay, so let me give you a recap of this video. The first point is that moving to a better place, moving to a bigger city, gives you proximity to high density economic and creative resources. The second point is having upgraded social gravity and drive for ambition. And the third pointer is having access to high leverage network. And the fourth pointer is having an upgraded baseline. I hope you like the content of this video. और अगर आप भी student हो and you are thinking of moving out, this could be the best decision that you are ever going to take. I know it will hurt. I know बहुत सारे लोगों को familiarity अच्छी लगती है, बहुत सारे लोगों को coziness, comfortableness अच्छी लगती है. But comfortability is rarely the place you want to be when you want to achieve extraordinary things in your life. So yeah, that is it. This is Project Bhavishya. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep dreaming, keep doing. Bye.